Hi guys, one of the questions I get asked a lot is, can you monetize a YouTube channel using text-to-speech software? Now in this video, I'm going to show you 5 different channels, all monetized, making good money and using text-to-speech software. And one of them guys is myself. I'm going to show you my channel. Now, if it's your first time here, I'm Jay, and this is my channel, Make Money with Video, where I upload videos showing you different ways to make money using video softwares, video apps, and posting them to different social medias. So if you've not been here before, please give us a subscribe, because if this is the kind of videos you like, then you're not going to want to miss some future videos. Now, without further ado, guys, let's get into this. One of the first channels is a health channel called Elf Apter. Now, they've got 321,000 subscribers, and according to Social Blade, which is a plugin for Google Chrome, I'm not sure about Firefox, but I've got it on Chrome, and it's saying they're making between 169 to 2.7 thousand per month, guys. Now, they're making videos with just pictures and slides, yeah, so slideshow videos with text and images, and they're just putting text on the screen. There's no music, there's no there's a bit of music in that, but that's all they're doing, guys. Now, moving on to the next one is another health one called Natural Cures. Health's a very popular niche to be in, guys, so feel free to go down that route if you fancy it. Now, these are a big channel. They've got 3.2 million subscribers, and they are making between 400 and 6.4 thousand a month, guys. And look, they've just got text on the screen, images, and these kind of images, guys, you can get over on free stock sites such as Pexels and Pixabay. But I'm going to show you an app what actually drags these images and these videos and puts the text on the screen for you guys, so you don't have to do much work at all, if any. So moving on, guys, is Body Hub. This is a fitness channel. It's got 888,000 subscribers. They're making between 768 to 12.3 thousand per month. And as you can see, guys, these are making same kind of videos, text on the screen and stock photos or videos in the background, guys. Like I said, they're very easy to make. Now, another one, guys, is F-List. Now, this channel is making between 229 to 3.7 thousand. They've got 26,000 subscribers, and they make videos about like celebs and like weight loss and transformations, lesbians, bisexuals, yeah, people who got married. And if you look, they're making the same videos, just a picture of the celebrity in the background with text over it. Now, you can do all this on this app. Another one, guys, is my channel. My channel is a movie channel, 15.2 thousand subscribers, and I'm making between 314 to 5,000 per month, guys. Now, if we scroll down, if you look, I am making the same sort of videos, text on the screen, image in the background, yeah. And look, guys, 108,000 views a year ago, and look, it's getting views, yeah. 58,000, 18,000, yeah. We scroll across. We've got all sorts, guys. Yeah, and that's it, guys. The app I'm going to show you is Vidnami. Now, if you click on the link in the description, it is affiliate link, but you get 25% off Vidnami for life, guys. So you can get access now for $35 a month, guys. And usually it is $47 a month, but if you come through my link, you'll get it for $35 a month. But you also, so you're saving for life, and then you get Storyblocks, video clips, library built in, guys, as well as the Storyblocks music tracks. So you get all these, so all your stock videos and stock images and music, you get it all with it, guys. And you get these Ultimate Video Traffic Blueprint Pack, 21 ways to find clients, cheat sheet, 5-minute Facebook ad formula, convert your phone into a pro video, Ultimate YouTube SEO cheat sheet. So you get all these part of this package, guys. So not only are you saving 25%, you get all them bonuses as well. But guys, if you don't want to sign up tonight today, the good thing about Vidnami is you can get I think it's 14 days free trial, yeah? And if it's not 14 days, it's at least 7 days. So why not sign up? If you don't want to sign up today for the $35, don't matter, guys. Sign up for the free trial. Build lots of videos like these channels are doing, yeah? Whatever niche you're into, if you're into football, if you're into fishing, if you're into beauty, if you're into health, just do what these are doing, guys. Yeah. And if you want me to quickly show you how you can show you now. It used to be called Content Samurai, guys, yeah? But look, it's Vidnami. So what you do, create a new video, you come over, you pick a whichever format you want, landscape, square. So for the sake of YouTube, you're going to pick landscape. Now you can see which different style you want, like with the text and that, guys. If you don't want any of these backgrounds, see, I like these ones without the border ones. We'll just click this one for now. Quick use template, and this is what brings you up, guys. Now you type, paste your script in here. But what I can sort of do, I go over to Google, look for whatever story I want to talk about, and I copy it and paste it in here. But I don't just copy and upload it like that. I'll edit it and I'll tweak it and I'll make it into my own words. And I'll delete some of it and I'll add some more of my own words. And then once you've done it, I don't know, let's just quickly find something on Google. Let's have a look at type in movie news. I do a lot of movie news. So go over to Screen Rant. Now, I'm not going to nick the stuff. More on it, guys. Let's have a look at this, yeah? So we'll just, not it all, guys, I don't want it all. So you copy some of it, you come back to here, yeah, and what I'll do, I'll break it up. Break it up a bit. You tweak it, guys. You add some more and all that, and then you just click on that, create scenes. What it does, it creates it for you, guys. It only takes a couple of seconds, or less than a minute anyway, guys. That's for sure. And then it'll drag all the videos or images, whichever you decide. And look, guys, here it is. Now, it's talking about Superman. So what it does, it brings up related images and videos, guys. So if you just go over it, 1 minute, I'm going to go back up. If you go over it, it usually starts to move. Yeah, see, it moves, right? But if you don't want this picture, guys, you just come over here and you can click on any of these keywords it's picked here. And if you don't want that, click on this. So let's type in Chris Hemsworth, yeah? Well, I've typed Chris Hemsworth. Then it will find, have I spelled it right? Chris Hemsworth. Yeah. So anyway, it's not finding any images, so any clips. So let's have a look if it's got any. Yeah, here we go. So if I wanted Chris Hemsworth there, that's all you do. If you wanted to move your text and you want it up there, right, you can have it there. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. Well, pretty much. And if you want this image to zoom in a little bit, you can do. If you want to move it, you can do, guys. Click done. Move on to the next one. Yeah. If I didn't want that to link up, you can link it up, guys. Oh, yeah, okay. It's not enough scenes. So for that one, we might want another one. Yeah. So we might want different things. Back to that. It's talking about Marvel. So we'll just click on Marvel. Oh, got all these dancing ones. Click on Marvel Comics. If you wanted this one, you just click on it there, guys. There you go. Now, if you don't want that, I don't know, but maybe it's Chris Pratt or something. Yeah, so you can finish off on that. And this is how you do it, guys. Sorry for the delay. I'll just normally I concentrate and I make the videos, but this is all it is, guys. There's text on the screen, and you might want that over there. You might want. Then what you do, guys, after you're happy with it, you add your voice track. Now you can either have music only, you can have auto voice, yeah. You can record your own track, or you can upload one if you want to go that route. But if you just want it here, come on here. I like Harry. You can play a sample of it.
Hi, my name is Harry, and I would love to read the script for your video.
Yeah.
So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the.
And that's what you do. You press that. It'll review it. It'll make your video for you guys. And that is it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It is very easy to make these videos using Vidnami. The links for the free trial and for the 25% off will be in the description below. So please click it out, try it out, and make some videos, guys, because the question is, can you monetize a YouTube channel using text-to-speech software? And the answer is yes. All them channels, plus many more, what I've reviewed and showed in my other videos, like a lot of these videos, like yeah, a lot of these videos, guys, if it's got Vidnami in the name, yeah, like this, yeah, I'm probably showing ways you can make money with these videos. So feel free to subscribe and come and check them out. And if you want to see more like this, guys, please let me know in the description below, guys, in the comment section. And until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. This is Make Money with Video. Till next time, goodbye.